Hello everybody, we are doing Christmas decorations today. Woo! Say woo! Logie Bear just woke up from his nap and we have part one set up, I suppose. Got the Christmas tree ready. I just bought these cute little pillows today. So yeah, we're gonna start setting stuff up even though it's before Thanksgiving, but yeah, he's fascinated. This is his first time seeing a Christmas tree. Oh, he's never seen Christmas tree before. Yes. Sorry I look ratchet. Today's been Costco shopping and going to the at-home store to get those pillows, and I just finished taking a nap with the little baby. Oh, yes. I know there's a big tree in the house, huh? Yes. Yes. Do you like it? Do you like the tree? He's so confused. Okay, we'll be back. I just wanted to put a message in this video. I have a lot of newborn to 6-month clothes that Logan has grown out of, and I'd really like to send it to somebody for them to use. Like, I have a Goodwill in my area, but they just, you know, resell the stuff. So I'd really like to send it to somebody who needs it. So if you could, in the comments below, write if you'd like them, or if you want to DM me on Instagram. I'll probably wait a week so I can get people's information, but just let me know, because I'd rather send it to somebody who actually needs it than have it like Goodwill resell it, you know. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. We got this ornament on our baby moon at the zoo. We haven't used it yet. Woo!
If you have cats, like we have two, they like to pull the tree down every year and make a mess, so we started using these little 3M clips here that you can attach to the wall, and then some 550 cord, just paracord that you can find at most hardware stores, and then just wrap it around the tree through the loop and against the wall, so that way the tree at least can't fall forward. This is our topper. We thought it was cool. Little top hat. straight.
It's okay. Do you think it's gonna... Is it safe?
There. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Good?
It looks so cute. I like all the stuff I'm seeing.
I bet you never seen no top hat tree.
Are you so excited, Loki Bear?
It's like all the lights.
It's his first Christmas.
All the sparkly lights.
Mommy can cry. His first Christmas. Happy baby. Hi, my baby. Do you like it? So nice, huh? Look at what he's looking at. The cats are in their normal Christmas tree position. Huh? Hello, Artie. These are the ornaments from our first Christmas tree. Yes. Are you having a great time? Yes. So we're done here. We're gonna have to do the outside too at some point, but inside first. And I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys all have fun decorating your own homes. I know we're a little early to the game, but who needs Thanksgiving decorations, right? Just go straight to Christmas.
Woo!
Yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.
Say bye, Lucky Bear!
Bye!
Say bye! Bye! Bye!
Bye!